editor quick suggestion delay, and basically this just controls the delay in milliseconds after which quick suggestions will show up. And if you have a lower value, you will have quick suggestions showing up more often, or faster rather. This would be 1 millisecond, and 10 is a little bit longer. Doesn't really make a difference between 1 and 10, does it? But if you set this to 100, I guess 100 is a tenth of a second. A second might be, yeah, you can definitely see the difference here. Yeah, so by default, VS Code just kind of shows up quick suggestions almost immediately, and that means 10 milliseconds, and I think this is perfectly fine.